Thank you, everyone. We had a nice quick demo set up here. I want to thank you all for taking your time today to come listen to me talk about one of our newest innovations for LATICRETE. As you know, we are a company made of innovation. That's what we started almost 70 years ago. Next year will be 70 years. And every couple of years we have an innovation that changes the entire market. This new product that we're going to talk about today, it's a premixed product. So back in 2007 was when premixed products hit the tile and stone industry. Those are grouts. They started out at that time. And then we launched SpectraLock 1 back in 2020. Like the day COVID hit, we launched SpectraLock 1. We evolved the entire market, right? And to this day, it's still evolved because that is the only premixed grout that can hit epoxy strength performance. So the first thing all of our customers asked us was, well, you can do it in a grout. Why can't you do it in an adhesive? So, of course, we go back to our R&D group. Research and development said, of course we can do that. 5 years later, now we have a premixed adhesive mortar to the market. First and only. We had some challenges, of course. It's premixed, right? You've got a lot of technology that we had to overcome. One thing being, it's single component. It has to cure in all environments. When you have a premixed product, it's an air cure product. Well, when it's an adhesive, where is that air? When it's a grout, at least you've got 50% of that product. That's got an air area where you can have it cure up. When it's an adhesive, it's challenging. Also, we wanted to achieve the highest ANSI standards. 118.4, 118.11, 118.15. That was a very big challenge for us. And of course, making it so that it can spread and move around very easily. Make it non-sag, make it non-slump. A lot of big-time challenges. Yes, there are mastics in the market today. This is not a mastic. This is a true adhesive. This is MULTIMAX 1. Just like when we launched SpectraLock 1, it was a huge leap for us to call it SpectraLock. I mean, for 20 years prior to that, SpectraLock was an epoxy. Same with MULTIMAX. That is our highest of the high adhesive that we sell today. We have it in a light form, MULTIMAX Light. Well, now we've got it in a one-step product, adding to our family of one, SpectraLock 1, HydroBand 1, and now MULTIMAX 1. You can read this. I'm not going to go through all this. I'll take you through all of our features and benefits. But what it says there is no adhesive features all of these benefits in a pre-mixed mortar. No one else. It's patent pending. We're going through this right now. We do have a patent on SpectraLock 1, and shortly we'll have a patent on this product as well. Like I said, it's pre-mixed. There's no mixing required. And I'm sure some of you on some job sites know that you've got some dedicated rooms where somebody has to mix that product up. No longer do you need that. You can bring this right to the site. You don't need somebody mixing it up. You don't need that dedicated room, somebody dedicated to doing that. It's already pre-mixed. It's ready to go. Open the pail, take out the little disc that's in there, that you use it to have it be reusable, and start spreading. Obviously no silica dust. There's nothing to mix. There's no powder. There's nothing in the air, which is great. More health and safety. We as LATICRETE, we always look at health and safety for our contractors on those job sites. And like I alluded to earlier, it hits every ANSI standard for a mortar. 118.4, 118.11 for plywood, and 118.15, the highest ANSI standard you can have for a mortar. Not only that, we also have the HET designation. So for H, it's large and heavy tile. For E, it's extended open time. And for T, it's a non-sag product. It's thixotropic. I said this earlier, you can use it on plywood. You can use it for all tile sizes, even GTPT, so it can be used on those glazed porcelain tiles, the large tiles. You can utilize it for that as well. It's got extended open time. So you've got at least 30 minutes. You can move that tile around, readjust it. Don't worry about that. Non-sag, non-slump. Sticks to that wall, and it will stick to the wall. Obviously, Robert already did this right here, popped it right up. Those tiles aren't going anywhere. It is low VOC. I don't know what happened there. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me go back. With this product also, when you're setting tile with this product, you can grout within 24 hours. So you can have traffic within 24 hours. Once again, I alluded to this earlier. It is a premixed product, so it is an air cure product. So when you're utilizing this product on any non-porous substrate, on any waterproof substrate, there will be a packet that comes with this with some powder. We just ask that you mix that with 12 to 16 ounces of water in a spray bottle, and you apply that to the troweled surface if you're on a non-porous substrate like Hydroban, any type of waterproof substrate, and you're using a tile over 12 inches on any given side. Otherwise, you can use this anywhere. Plywood, cement, and anything less than 12 inches, you can use that on a waterproof substrate, and within 24 hours, you can start grouting. Low VOC, low odor. Please, I encourage everyone, please. Me telling you all the features and benefits doesn't do justice to the product. I want everyone to come up, use it. I've got plenty of different size tiles here. Just listening to me isn't going to do justice to the product. Please come up, use it, trowel it out, play with it, please. It's also GREENGUARD Certified, once again, being a very healthy product. It can be used in submerged applications as well as steam showers. Once again, it is the highest of the high mortars that can be used on every single installation. Interior, exterior, and it can be reused. Just like SpectraLock 1, this product will have a little disc at the top. It'll have all the instructions on it. Like I said, it will have a little bit of a powder in there and an activator packet. But it'll have that disc. You can take the disc out, use it. Once you're done with it, put the disc back just so it doesn't skim over. It just keeps a nice barrier to air, and that way there you can reuse it. It has a 2-year shelf life. So the product that you buy, sealed product, good for 2 years on the shelf. Once you open it and you continue to use that disc in there, good for another 6 months. And I think I've covered all of our features and benefits. Are there any questions on new MULTIMAX 1? The bucket size. So the question was, what size are we going to put in? 3.5 gallons. So on quarter by quarter, you probably get about 65 square feet. Half by half trowel, you probably get about 35 square feet. The drying time is 24 hours. 24 hours, then you can grout. Can we use it on glass? Yeah, you can use on glass, backsplash. Yes, it is. Please, I want everyone to come up. Please use it. I can say all the features and benefits. It's not going to do you any good unless you touch it, feel it, taste it, enjoy it. Please. We've got Mr. J.P. Myers here. He's our rep from Northern New York. Robert Goff here from Technical Services, helping us out today. Please come use it. Show people in the crowd how easy it is. Here, move this stuff. Please. And if you want to do these overhead. Any other questions?
You can grout after how many hours?
24 hours.
Oh, so you need
24, yes. Yep. Remember, he's not doing it every day. You guys are, so. So just a couple things that came up. Is that up? Okay. You know, the question was, can you use it on floors, not just walls? Yes, definitely. Floors and walls for sure. Another question was heavy foot traffic, ceiling as well. Yes, 118.15, yes, sir. So for ceilings as well. And then foot traffic, heavy foot traffic, 24 hours later. Just the same time to grout as well. Any comments from anybody using the product? It does have great non-sag capabilities. I mean, you can see up there, nothing's moving. Nothing's moving at all.
So when you're doing thin gauge porcelain panels, 1 meter by 3 meters, do you need to apply it to the panel?
Yes.
Or can you get
So,
away with just
so the question.
That's part of that installation process. One night, 118 point with, but yeah, you typically with those you're going to do both sides of them.
So,
Boston has something they say you only do one side.
yeah, it's like a gum. It's like their Boston said. It's different, ours. But the question is on GTPT on the glazed porcelain tiles, a large panel. Yes, we would recommend applying it on the tile itself and on the substrate as well. Definitely. Yep. Any other questions? Anybody want to get up and just look, not touch it? Clean up, very easy. Water, yes. Yep. So the question is, when is it coming out? August. This August, it'll be ready to ship. Yep. What's that? You can ask your rep. You can ask your. We're not going to go over cost here, but ask your rep, please. I just help develop the product. I don't price it. So. No other questions? Any concerns? Comments? Can you move that around?
Huh?
Get up there. Move it on. Oh. Who? Oh. So you came up and used it. What did you think? So the comment is it's nice. It's nice. So thank you. So the question is when we're using it over Hydroban. So if you're using it over Hydroban, we have an activator packet because what we need to do is expel all that moisture that's in there so it cures up fast enough for you to grout it the next day. We have a packet of powder that you're going to add to water in a spray bottle. If it's over 12 inches, if your tile is over, then you spray the surface, whatever you've troweled, spray that liberally, just spray it, then apply your tile, and within 24 hours, it will cure. It's basically a very rapid system to remove all the water. Yeah, that was one of the slides. The question is steam rooms, yes. Submerged and steam rooms as well, for sure. Pools, absolutely, yes. Submerged, yes, sir. Pools, yes. Yes, absolutely.
The mist you were saying, do you mist the substrate
So,
or the troweled thin set?
You're going to miss the troweled thin set.
All right, so trowel
Yep.
the wall, mist
Yep.
it, stick your tile.
Of course, you're going to back butter your tile. TCNA says 15 inches and above. We're saying for this 12, just to make sure that that moisture is gone,
Sure.
that you can get the next day. If it's over 12 inches, we always recommend back buttering. Yeah. We want to follow what TCNA says. So they say 15 inches and above, but for this product, we're saying 12 inches and above. Yep. But once again, that spray is only used when it's a non-porous substrate, when it's a waterproof substrate. Yeah, only waterproof. You spray the actual troweled substrate. That's it. Not the tile itself and not the back butter. All right, thank you all for joining us today. If there's no more questions.